what's wrong with you, Sister Lisa?
Excuse me. I've got a little bit of allergy or a cold or something.
Yeah, you sound like you're down in the basement.
I do sound pretty different, don't I? Well, I'm fine. I feel fine. It's just this little allergy, and I sound really deep.
Yeah, you sound like a boy.
I don't sound like a boy.
Well, you sound like Mark.
Well, I sound like Mark anyway, because I am Mark's voice.
Oh, that's right.
Well, anyway, boys and girls, I'd like to say I love you, Israel, Judah, Graceland, Jeremiah, and Raylan. Today we're doing little songs and stories about love. And Sandy's going to read you a story.
With your scratchy voice?
Yeah, with my scratchy voice.
I'm going to read them a story?
That's right. You're going to read them a story. It's called, let me see if I can not drop it on the floor. It's called ABC, How Jesus Loves Me. And I think Raylan's going to really like this story, and probably the other boys and girls will.
I like it.
Yes, if I can do this. Yeah, that's right, Sandy. You're the one that's got the cold, right? Okay, here it goes. A.
All those animals leave Noah's Ark. Genesis 8:15 through 19.
Yes, A for animals. You're right.
B. Baby Jesus is born in Bethlehem. Luke 2:4 through 7.
Oh, B is for baby and Bethlehem. Very good, Sandy.
C. Critters of creation come from God. Genesis 1:20 through 27.
That's right, critters, creation. That's right, all of creation. God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis 1:1 in the beginning, right?
That's right. D. Daniel is not too delighted with that lion's den. Daniel 6:16 through 23.
I see lots of D's. Daniel starts with D. Delighted. Den, the lion's den.
E. Esther eagerly helped save her people. Esther 7:1 through 6.
Esther, eagerly. That's right, Esther, eagerly. And I can think of some other E words, like Egypt, and now we're going to F.
F. Fantastic fishermen. Peter and Andrew followed Jesus to fish for men. Matthew 4:18 through 20.
That's right, fantastic fishermen. Follow, fish, for. Lots of F words.
G. God gives gifts of love.
God gives, both start with G, gifts. Boy, almost every word starts with the G. God gives gifts. James 1:17 through 18.
H. Hannah, God's handmaiden, lifts her hands to pray. 1 Samuel 1:9 through 20.
That's right, Hannah, handmaiden, hands, H.
I. Isaac issues orders to dig a well. Genesis 26:17 and 33.
Oh, we didn't show the boys and girls the pictures. That's right, Isaac issues. Those both start with I.
J. Joseph jumps for joy when he is given a coat of many colors. Genesis 37:2 and 3.
Joseph jumps for joy. That's right.
K. Kindness is a part of God's kingdom. Psalms 145:13 and 17.
Kindness. Yeah, K. Kindness. When he's in J, I know lots of J's. Jeremiah, Judah, Jacob. Got lots of J's in the family. Jeremy.
L. Lisa.
Oh, yes. But L.
Lazarus lives after dying.
Oh, Lazarus lives after dying. God rose him from the grave.
John 11:32-44.
That's right.
M. My maker makes a manna miracle.
Exodus 16:2-18. Maker, manna, miracle. My maker makes manna miracle. All M except A. One word. My maker makes a manna miracle. Lots of M's in that verse. That page.
N. Nice neighbors help those with needs. Luke 10:27-37.
That's right.
O. Obadiah obeys God and listens to Elijah. 1 Kings 18:1-16.
That's right. Obadiah obeys God. After O comes P.
P. Paul pursues the purpose God gives him. Acts 22:4-16.
Paul pursues. That's right. We got to follow after that. Find God's will for our life.
Q. Quick questions are meant to trap Jesus in Matthew 26:59-64.
That's right. They tried to stump Jesus and ask him hard questions, but he knew the answers because Jesus is God.
R. Rainbows rain promises that God is with us. Genesis 9:8-17.
Yes, rainbows and rain start with R. And God is with us.
S. Shadrach sings safely in the fiery furnace. Daniel 3:10-30.
That's right. Remember when Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego was in the fiery furnace? But God kept them from getting burnt. That's right. Did you see this other the rainbow pictures? I forget to turn the page where you can see them. T. See these pictures?
Terrible temper tries to trick our Jesus.
Yeah. T.
U. United in spirit, we keep our eyes up on God.
That's right. Unity. Be united. Page won't come apart. There it is.
V. Virtuous virgin is vital to God's plan. Luke 1:26-38.
That's right. We're supposed to be wise. We're supposed to be wise and have our lamps full of oil. And for a victory. V could be victory.
Yeah, victory in Jesus, like Papa sang today.
That's right. Papa did sing victory in Jesus today. W.
Watching the whirling wheels. Ezekiel is full of wonder. Ezekiel 1:15-21.
That's right. Ezekiel had a vision and he seen all these wheels and seen all these things going forward. And it was wonderful. And he wondered what that was. W. X. Our excellent
example is Jesus. Let us be like him in all things. John 13:3-15.
That's right. Excellent example. Both of those start with E, but they have X's in them.
Y. Yearn for God's yoke. Matthew 11:28-30.
That's right. He said, my yoke is easy and my burden is light. That's right. Yoke.
And Z. Zealous Zacchaeus gives back more than he has taken. Luke 19:2-10. Z.
Let the children come to me. Matthew 19:14. A, B, C. How Jesus loves me. And we have a song I want to play if I can find it real quick. It is called, let me find it really quick. Excuse me. It's on my playlist today. It is called Jesus Loves Even Me. That's what it's called. And I think Mark's going to sing this one.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll go sit down while you have this. I'll go sit down while you get this ready.
Okay. Jesus Loves Even Me. Hey, Mark. Get Mark my hand here.
This week's hymn was written back in 1870 by a gentleman named Philip Bliss. with the words and music. This was originally intended as a children's song, but it is full of deep, meaty truth. Jesus loves even me. Though I forget him and wander away, still he doth love me wherever I stray. Back to his dear loving arms I do flee, when I remember that Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves even me. In this assurance I find sweetest rest, trusting in Jesus I know I am blessed. Satan dismayed from my soul now doth flee, when I just tell him that Jesus loves me. And I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves even me. Oh, if there's only one song I can sing, when in his beauty I see the great King, this shall my song through eternity be. Oh, what a wonder that Jesus loves me.
Sing, boys and girls.
I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves even me. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves even me.
Very good, Mark. That is a good song. I am so glad that Jesus loves me. Jesus loves even me. You and me. All the boys and girls all over the world. I love you. This is sign language for I love you. I do love. Both hands. Love. Okay, you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.